I had someone in front of me who's had a knee replacement surgery, and they were unfortunately in tears because they were in the same pain as they were before they had the operation. The patient in question was rushed from getting the diagnosis, being in pain, going straight to surgery, and they hadn't explored any of the other options that are available. I am definitely not against surgery. 70% of people go to surgery, have a really good outcome. 30% unfortunately don't. And it's those 30% that I'm trying to target with some of this information. If they get the right information, they can explore it before they go for surgery. There are many things that can be driving somebody's pain, not just what's in the knee itself. There is a whole load of other things going on within the body and the brain and interpretations that I think need to be explored before somebody considers surgery. Download your free guide that helps you explore all the different areas that might be contributing to your pain.